I'd love to get to another story this morning if possible, because we are going to significantly advance what was a Wall Street Journal breaking story this morning on Xerox and Hewlett Packard, or HP Inc.
Okay, let's go there.
Because the Journal again had said that Xerox was considering making an offer. They've made the offer. In fact, we are in full-on bear hug mode here. Xerox is going to try to buy HP Inc. The offer, I am told, made, of course, as you'd expect, a letter. I don't know the price other than it is, I am told, a real, quote, premium to HP Inc.'s stock price. It is composed of cash and stock, the mix of which I'm not quite certain on. Perhaps somewhere in the 50-50, but it's not clear exactly. But it is both cash and stock. They are talking about synergies of at least $2 billion, perhaps approaching as much as $3 billion in synergies between these two companies. And they maintain as well, from what I understand is in the contents of the letter, that they will be, upon completion of the deal, even with the addition of a lot of debt, obviously, to buy out the equity at HP for the cash portion, would be investment grade, the remaining company. Now remember, it was just yesterday that Xerox announced the dissolution of their 52-year joint venture, or maybe even more, 57-year joint venture with Fujifilm. Included in that is the payment of $2.3 billion to Xerox. That's going to come in handy. And of course, there is no longer going to be this crown jewel lockup that basically gave Fujifilm a right of first refusal, the ability to say no to any potential deal. Because, guys, they've tried this in the past. John Visentin, the company's CEO, who has presided over an 84% rise in Xerox's stock price over the last 12 months, he's explored this previously, or previous managements have explored it, Jim, because they know it makes sense from a industry perspective. Yeah. What HP's response is going to be, I don't know at this point, but I can tell you Xerox is all guns blazing to get this deal done. We don't have the letter made public as yet. We'll see if any conversations ensue. My understanding is they have not. This is quite recent, as you might imagine, but they are going after HP. It's interesting, yesterday he said to me, Mr. Visentin, when I spoke to him on the phone, that we're going to go on the attack when I'd asked him, with the idea being perhaps that they'd be sellers. He said, we're going to go on the attack. I got to tell you, I didn't know they were going to be attacking that hard that quick.